I am Tosin Olugbenga. So you also change that to your name. So if I come here, I refresh. I am Tosin Olugbenga. Alright, so this is my hi. I think I should put comma. So let me put I, comma. I am Tosin Olugbenga. Now this is H3 and it looks too big here. So I might decide to change it to, I think, H4. So you can do so many things on this code. Just change it to what you think it is, what it should be. Oh, it's now smaller. So I need to return it back to H3, H4 is smaller. Okay. Let me return it back to H3. Alright, so that's fair. So this BR is line break. This small is that it should make HI small. So it's smaller than I am Tosin Olugbenga. So this one is bold. I am Tosin Olugbenga is bold. So that is that. Then my work, UI UX designer. So I'm not a UI UX designer. I'm a software. So I'm going to change it software developer. So whatever you are, you can change it to that. Then my work, IAME. So this my work IAME is actually referencing, can you see, Ash Gallery. So it's going to look for the ID gallery and go there. All right. So my work now is going to the works that I have done. All right. So that is how it works. Then IAME will lead us to, it's not actually leading to any page. So it's not actually leading to any page, but we can create a page. We can say IAME or drop a message for me. So let me go there and say contact me rather. So contact me. So then I'm going to change this reference to, I'm going to look at where this drop a message for me is, and I'm going to change this reference to it. So let me go to drop a message for me. That's at the footer section. Drop a message for me. So contact. Can you see? Contact. So that's the ID contact. So I'm going to change. I hope you are following because this is very important. Contact me. So I'm going to change this one to Ash contact. So it will go and look for the ID contact on that page and it will go there. So if I refresh, oh, why is 0? If I'm coming to this, okay, I think the URL, let me start again, enter. All right, so okay, so we are here now. So contact me will automatically go down. So drop a message for me. So we've been able to achieve that. So here now, next we move to about me. Everything there is okay. So of course you would wonder that there is an image on the home page here. Where did this image come from? Because it's supposed to be within that section. So most likely that image is going to be added via the CSS as a background image for this particular section. It's going to be added as a background image for this particular section. So what would happen now is that I will go to my CSS, I will go and search for images so that I can be able to track where, look at it, background URL dot is referencing this image, images / main slide JS. So I'm going to go to my images, main slide 1.jpg, main slide, exactly. So this is the image and it is actually referencing from okay, all the images on the site, they are inside this image section. So if I want to change that image now, for instance, I must try as much as possible to change this image to my image. So I might speak to a graphic designer to get me an image of this size exactly. So to get me an image of this size, because that is the only way that I can change that image. So I will just name the image main slide.js, or I will come to the CSS file and change the image to my own personal image that I might have included in this folder. So that is that. So now let me go back to the index.html. If you look at it, we have the class, the section w3l main banner. So let me go and search for it inside style.css. This is w3l main banner. So I'll look through section here. So let me check where I have that images. It should be there. So because this is so large, all right, look at it, w3l main banner. So I've been able to search to track how this image come to exist here. So that's what I'm trying to search here. So it is placed as the background of this section, and from the style.css you can see that background URL ... So it's referencing this particular main slider, which is the image. No repeat right. That means it should not repeat the image, then it should make sure it is floating right. So, and the background size, it should cover the whole background. So this image you are seeing here, this image is actually this image, and it's covering this whole background. All of this is the section. So that is why in the code you did not see where they added that particular image. That image is made as the background of the main banner. So if I must change that image, I will just come here and change this to my image. So I'm going to look for an image. I don't know, if I have image, I'll put it there. If I don't have, then this is the image we will use. But you can put your own image. But you must make sure that the design of your own image must be the exact size of this particular image. All right, so that is that. So that one takes us away from this section that captures a little introduction of myself and my work and contact. So now about me. Why hire me for your next project? This is that section. Why hire me for your next project? So I can change it to why I am the best developer for your next project. So here I'm going to remove everything that is there. I'm going to write a little bit of information of why I should be the best. I am a software developer with about 4 years experience, and I believe I have the expertise to turn your ideas to a reality. All right, so so I can just borrow some of the things there because I love to design. So enter. So I keep writing. I love to write clean codes with adequate knowledge of logic and algorithm. Right, so here now, if I refresh, if I Yeah, it's changing to my own content. Why I am the best developer for your next project. I am a software developer with 4 years experience, and I believe I have the experience to turn your the expertise to turn your ideas into reality. So here is just a placeholder. This Lawrence Ipsum, you will see it on most. That's what you're going to see. They are just placeholders, so you will see it on most templates that you download online. So then this image, maybe I want to change it to the image of myself as well. So it is what I can do. So I will have to track. Okay, this is the image, for instance. All right, it's inside asset images about us.jpg. So this is asset images about.jpg. So that is the image there. So if I want to change the image now, so all I need to do is to delete this one, put another image there, and make sure the index.html is referencing that particular image. So I don't take pictures mostly, so I don't really have much pictures. But if you have pictures that you can add there, you can simply change that picture to your own personal picture. So yeah, so I'm going to change this to you can contact me for your next project and we would discuss extensively about them. All right, we'll discuss extensively about them. So now this is download CV, and here they don't really know the URL they would put there, and I've actually taught you how to make sure your CV is there and it can easily be downloaded. So we already know how to do this. So let me just go to our profile. I think I don't really know where I have. Is it others? Let me check that profile website. So let me check the page. Okay, this is exactly the page, others.html. So others.html, this is it. You can download my CV. So as you can see, href CV download. So I can just copy this here and paste it inside my profile web. So inside the mix starter. All right, it is mix starter. That's the name of the template. So I can actually paste it inside it. All right, so so this is it now. This is my CV. All right, so I can now go back here and reference the CV since they are in the same directory. So so it's intelligent. It already knows that I'm referencing it. So I'll just click it, put it there. Then anybody that clicks it can easily download and see my CV. So you also should do the same thing. So if I come back here and download my CV, so as you can see from the look at the tip here, from the tip here, you can see that it is referencing my CV. So if I click download CV now, it automatically brings up my CV. So the same thing should be applicable to your own. So we are moving that gradually. Do I need this business strategy, visual design, interactive design, motion graphics? Yes, I might want to put some of my some of the things I believe in, maybe team player, intelligent thinking, clean code. So that might be what I would want to put here. All right, so here these are business strategy areas, all right, that we need to okay, all right, so these are business strategy areas, business strategy. So we need to work on these sections. I can think of what I will put there. I'm still thinking. Maybe I should just put my accreditations like team player. I don't know what they call this thing. Accountability. strategic design, here. Okay, what other thing can I put there? So the content here: I am a good team player. Accountability: I deliver on my promises. So whatever you think you want to put there, you can also put them there. I engage in strategic thinking and design. So whatever you think you want to add to your own, you can sit down and add it, because you are going to be hosting this website. So just put what you think you need to put there. So then here I also have my services. So here, that is my services. So I'm going to put UI UX design. So I'm going to put web development, API development, API development. Then I'm going to add what other development? API development, mobile app development. So I'm going to also write things there that speaks to web development, API development, mobile app development. Of course, you observe that this one already shifted down. So because this is long, so let me remove the app and see whether it's going to just say mobile development. Okay, so let me refresh. Oh, still long. Okay, so but it is not good for design for this to push down. So another thing I could do is maybe mobile app. Okay, let me just put dev. So as a short form for development. All right, so they are all the same. So I develop highly responsive. I develop highly responsive web applications for individuals and corporate organizations. So I am well experienced in developing application programming interface. That's the full meaning of API. You must have had it before. So if you come for my advanced courses, you will learn developing APIs with Node.js. That's the name of the course. So which we will be working on. So I'm well experienced in developing applications with Node.js and PHP. So I can put Laravel here. Laravel. So Laravel is a PHP framework. So mobile app development. I develop cross-platform mobile applications, suitable mobile applications for Android and iOS operating systems. Of course, OS means operating systems. For Android, so it's better I just put for Android OS, and iOS. So this is Android operating system. So if you look at that now, here it has taken a beautiful shape. So, and of course, again, we are at it again. This is not in the same level with this. So I can complete, let me write operating system in full and see whether that will come down. So that's what you do as a web designer, operating system. Okay, so okay, that's okay. So yes, so here I can look for logos that depict what I'm actually talking about. So these are the FAFA bar charts. Like the first one is features FAFA podcasts. So this is a sign for podcasts. So that's why it is bringing it here. So that logo, this is going to come. I think that's going to come from the Google link that we'll put there for all these FA stuffs. So you might want to search for Google APIs, web fonts. So I think that's where that image is coming from. So I'm not a UI UX designer. So if I'm a UI UX designer now, I would know better about most of these things. But of course, so we can still use this for now. This is chart. So as you can see here, charts. Where is chart? This FA class chart. So bar chart. So what I will do is, let me copy this place and paste it on Google so I can be able to see all the links for all the charts. So let me just paste this here. BA charts. So go to fontawesome.com. fontawesome.com. Yes, so that is where you have all the icons. Can you see FA charts? All right, so font, let me go to the home page for this Font Awesome. So you will see so many fonts that you can think of. More icons. So if you really want to, so this is where all those icons come from. I want to search one. Get started. Okay, just yep. So you will see so many font styles. I don't really do much of icons. Let's go to icons. All right, so these are all the icons. So if I want to search for mobile app, maybe I want something that will depict mobile phone. So I'm going to click this FA mobile. Can you see FA mobile? So I will go back to this place. I'm going to change it to FA mobile. FA mobile is even suggesting it for me already. So if I come back to the design and I refresh, see, it has changed it to mobile. All right, so you see how simple it is. So I don't really need to stress. It's picking it from the font, which already comes with the template. So this web development now, if I want to change this web development, so I will come here, I would search for web. So search for web. I will look for something that reflects web. I'm not seeing anyone. Let me put websites, not for websites. Globe, maybe globe. Yes, globe. Sometimes I can use World Wide Web. Oh, okay. Or let me search www, whether it is going to bring something web. So let's go to development. Well, website development. As you can see, if you want to put laptop, you can click this desktop. So don't forget fontawesome.com. That's where you will get it. So something that is close to it is globe that I can use. So FA globe. So I will just change this to FA globe to depict FA globe to depict World Wide Web, which is web development. So let me see if that is going to work. All right, web development. So API, I'm not sure if there's going to be API. No, it's not. So we can just leave it at that. So you can see other ones: ID card, thermometer, V card, user. So there are so many. Oh, web application icons. Okay, battery. So these are different icons that you can use as a designer. Okay, I think this code will work for web development. So it's just FA code. So let me change it to FA code. So I think it is going to represent it better than that. Okay, so web development. All right. So I think those are the things that can help us to actually, edit, eraser. This is PDF file code. You understand? So you have countless number of icons that you can use. So if you don't know what the icons are, you can easily come here and check to see what the icons are. This is shopping cart for cart. So as a designer, if you want to focus on being a designer, these are the things you would use to continue to design your web page. So responsiveness, testing, perfection, advanced option, make it simple. So these are so many other things I can work on and change, but I might not want to, follow me on Instagram. So I might change that to follow me on Twitter. So if I don't need, like for instance, I don't want this section to show. This section, though it is beautiful, you understand, maybe I will just leave it there. Maybe it is beautiful, maybe responsiveness, clean code, agile development, different layout. So I could want to leave it, but this section I might not want to have it here, or I only want to have 3 of them and take a picture of some project I have done and put them here. So that is what I could do. So I think I will work on some images of the project that I have done. I will just put the 3 of them here, and that will be all. So I will remove these 3. So follow on Instagram also, I'm going to edit it. So I think that is what I'm going to do. So this is a video. So we'll see how this video is actually being embedded. So